much for tuning into my channel, To Live and Date in LA. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on my blog, toliveanddateinla.co, and on Instagram at To Live and Date in LA. So let's jump right into this tutorial. As you can see, my natural hair is in twists. I washed and deep conditioned my hair. I applied Cantu Shea Leave-In Argan Oil Moisturizing Conditioner to my hair before twisting it with my 4 favorite oils: rosehip, almond, castor, and tea tree, which I mixed together in a bottle, applied to my scalp and hair. So let's make our crochet wig. It's super easy, super simple, and y'all, it is super cheap because you know this girl is frugal. So grab what you already have. Crochet needle, you have that already, right? If you don't, it costs less than $1. Wig cap, which I just randomly found in a drawer, and I paid $1 for this. And you're going to grab your Freetress braid hair. Well, that's what I'm using for this tutorial, but you grab whatever hair you love. I'm using the GoGo Curl 12-inch in color 1B. And for this tutorial, I use 2 packs of hair. It's really, really, really great to use this hair because you can extend the life of this hair easily, you can take care of it easily, you can wash it easily, and install it easily. Notice I'm saying easily like a bazillion times because I'm all about ease and frugality. So is frugality a word? I don't know, but let's keep rolling. Right now I'm going to apply my silk scarf to my head, and I'm doing this because I am not using a mannequin head for this tutorial to create my crochet wig. I'm going to create the wig directly onto my head. I'm doing this for a few reasons. Number one, just to keep it real, I could not find my mannequin head anywhere. But I thought, hey, if I apply a silk scarf onto my hair and then put the wig cap on top, this will prevent my hair from intertwining with the wig cap, and I will be able to really tailor this wig directly to the shape of my head. As we all know, the mannequin heads are not the shape of our head. So if you don't have a mannequin head, this is a really great alternative. It was really easy, just as fast, and you will do everything the exact same way. Just, you know, you're doing it on your head instead of the mannequin head. As you can see, I did my staggering with the hair, making one side longer than the other. This is so the hair will be very full, will have different lengths, wonderful layers naturally within it. So let's just keep going. Little tip, I grabbed my e.l.f. under eye highlighter to create a side part on top of the wig cap so I could make sure that the hair falls the way I would like it in conjunction with my favorite hairstyle. Alright, so here is the back. It is halfway done. I have used a half of 1 pack of hair, y'all. This isn't even a whole pack of hair. So as you can see, I tied the middle of the wig cap into a knot just so I could ensure that the middle point was something that I was aware of and I can make sure that it is covered. And as you can see, there's already these really beautiful layers on the back of the head because I staggered my hair. So I'm going to continue working my way up to the middle of my head. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the back. And remember that knot that I made at the top of the wig cap in the middle point of my head? So to make sure that that knot is fully covered, instead of staggering the lengths of the hair like I've done throughout, I'm going to even it out because I want there to be a fullness that will cover the middle part of the wig, because again, that's where that knot is at the top, because I needed to pull the wig cap just a little bit more top because I have a little tiny peanut head. So as you can see, I'm inserting the crochet needle the same way that we would do any other time. You're going to insert the latch hook, close it, pull it through, form a loop, 2, 3, 4, tie it around in a knot, pull it through, and you're going to secure it. Now, for extra security, I make a couple extra knots because this hair, as I said, is very smooth, and I want to ensure that it's going to stay knotted and closed. Alright, so look at here, guys. I have already come to the front of my head. I'm going to insert a little more hair around the edges. Again, I wanted to show you guys what it looked like so you could see what the netting looks like, which is why I have kept the pink scarf on. I wanted you to see just how full and how beautiful you can make this look with the different layers from staggering your hair, and how simple and easy it is to do it directly on top of your head. Okay, so you are going to take your latch hook, and as you can see here, I'm inserting the hook under 3 loops. Now you pick as many loops as you'd like. I liked to do 3 when I got towards the front because I wanted it to be a little tighter, because you want to cover up that edge that is on the ends, well, around the wig cap. Pull your latch hook through, form a knot, open the latch hook, remove the knot, set it aside, and you are going to pull your hair through the knot after you create your loops around the strand. Still continuing with making about 5, sometimes even 6 loops, and I'm going to pull it taut. I will grab my 2 strands of hair and I will make sure that I have that extra security, because like I said, the Freetress GoGo Curl hair is very smooth and you want to make sure that it is secured onto your wig cap. The last thing you want to do is be dropping it like it's hot in the club and parts of your wig start flying off and dropping it like it's hot too. So just go ahead and have that extra security and form those 2 extra knots after you have inserted your hair. Okay, so at this point I'm pretty much done. There are a few spaces that I'm going to go in and clean up, but I wanted to show you all that I removed my pink scarf and I put on a wig cap underneath my wig. I mean, it's a wig, right? So you still want that extra protection on your own hair. So just for safe measures, I think that it's really great to put a wig cap on underneath the wig cap. If you don't have an extra wig cap, you know, it's not a big deal. But for me, I just like to make sure that I have extra protection. So I'm going to go in now and just cut and frame the layers around my face, around the sides, and the back of my hair. As I have said in all my previous crochet videos, because I use super curly hair, you want your scissors pointing down, because as you can see, that curly hair is going to bounce right up. So make sure you're pulling it taut whenever you are cutting it, because it will not be that same length that it was before you cut it. So you want to make sure that you are cutting exactly where you want it to be. I like to frame it around my face and have kind of different lengths in the back and on the sides. I don't like everything to be even, so I like to create different layers throughout my entire head. So I'm just going to continue cutting and I will show you the final look. Created in only a few hours and under $20. This crochet wig is sturdy, y'all. It is not going nowhere, because remember, we secured this hair to this wig cap, so you can do all that dropping it like it's hot in the club. Shake that hair because it is secure and not going anywhere. So look at these beautiful layers. Look how thick and curly this hair is, and those layers look amazing. That's the wig cap underneath. And look at these layers that we created naturally because we staggered our hair. I wanted to get you up close and personal so you can see how wonderful this wig looks, how natural it looks, and how beautiful it's going to look on you. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share this video with all your girlfriends. Check me out on my website, toliveanddateinla.co. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and please tune in for my next video. Love you so much. Have a blessed day. Peace, y'all.